Hey, Christopher Holmes here with Scottsdale Mortgage Advisors, obviously. And my phone number there, should you want to pause and write that down. Hey, we're going to talk today on Friday, November 17th. It is about a week before Thanksgiving, and it looks like we've finally seen that pause by the Fed and not as much urgency with regard to increasing the interest rates to stave off inflation. As a result of that, we've seen mortgage interest rates start to go down. We peaked at about 8% as an average for a 30-year fixed rate about a month and a half ago. We're now seeing interest rates in the low to mid 7% range, depending on FICO scores, depending on how much money you're putting down, depending on whether it's a primary residence, yada, yada. But essentially, we've seen interest rates drop 0.75% in the last just really 2 weeks. We're excited about that, of course, in the mortgage business. And what does that mean for you? If you're currently sitting on the sideline waiting for interest rates to drop to a given number, you're waiting for it to get to four again, or maybe 4.5 or 5%, realize how much pent up demand there is in the market for both homes for sale and buyers that are out there looking. So we have such little inventory right now and little demand that's waiting in the wings for interest rates to drop. If you're currently sitting on the sidelines waiting for interest rates to drop before getting into the market, I'm worried about you missing the mark. What will end up happening is the few houses that are for sale, when interest rates drop, all of the people sitting on the sidelines, like yourself or like your clients, will then get into the market. And what happens when we have an increase in demand and a limited amount of supply, the prices will go way back up. A lot of us remember just a few years ago, multiple offer situations on one property within hours of it going on the market. You've got offers coming in offering over asking price, waiving appraisal contingencies. First time buyers just as frustrated as they are now about the interest rates, just as frustrated about the fact that they cannot get their offer accepted. So now, and for the next few months especially, would be a great time to get your ducks in a row. Have a mortgage planning session with a certified mortgage advisor like me or one of us around the country, not a loan officer, a certified mortgage advisor. Those of us that are certified mortgage advisors have put ourselves in a position so that we are now fiduciaries to your interest first. A loan officer works for the bank or the lender they typically work for. As a certified mortgage advisor, our fiduciary is to the borrower, to the client. And having a mortgage planning session, spending 45 minutes on a Zoom call, going over all of your application information, getting all of your questions answered, is exactly what you want to be doing now in preparation for interest rates starting to drop. You don't want to start the process, or jump in the water when the boat's already pulling away from the dock. Let's make sure that we get you ready, get you prepared. If there's something I can do for you in Arizona or Colorado, feel free to reach out. Happy to have that conversation with you, put you on the calendar, and see what we can do to get you ready to make an offer when you're ready. Anyway, have a great holiday. Have a great Thanksgiving. Happy holidays into December. And should you need anything, feel free to give me a call.